Have you ever heard of someone being arrested for dancing in the rain? Meet Kai, a passionate rain dancer who carried on an ancestral tradition in his village. This unique form of expression, revered by many, took a shocking turn when city officials deemed it a public disturbance. His arrest sparked a wave of community support, all standing in solidarity for the preservation of cultural heritage. As the community rallied, an intense debate ensued between respecting traditions and modern laws. Kai's story highlights the power of unity in advocating for cultural appreciation amidst increasing regulatory constraints.